Assalamu alaikum. Ahlan wa sahlan wa marhaban bikum. In this lesson, we are going to learn some daily sentences in Arabic. So let's start the lesson. Hada bait. This is a house. Hada bait. Hada al baytu kabir. This house is big. Hada baiti. Hada baiti. This is my house. Baiti kabirun wa wasi'un. My house is big and spacious. Hadihi sayyaratun. Hadihi sayyaratun. This is a car. Hadihi sayyarati. Hadihi sayyarati. This is my car. هذه السيارة جديدة. This car is new. سيارتي غالية وجديدة. My car is costly and new. هذا أخي. هذا أخي. This is my brother. هذا أخي الصغير. This is my small brother. أخي الصغير طالب. My small brother is a student. هذه أسرتي. هذه أسرتي. This is my family. أسرتي الصغيرة تعيش معي. My small family lives with me. هو ولد بارع. He is a brilliant student. هي بنت نشيطة. هي بنت نشيطة. She is an active girl. هذا هو القلم. هذا هو القلم. This is the pen. هذه هي السيارة. هذه هي السيارة. This is the car. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Keep learning and practicing. مع السلامة. إلى اللقاء.